Here on the Forzas, when you sit down to drive your Palace on wheels, we have an adjustable steering wheel column. There's a pedal just to the left of the steering wheel. Typically you'd use your left foot, push it down, and you can slide the steering wheel forward and back and in and out to adjust for your comfort level. We have the power options here on the seat: forward, back, tilt, and then the other little latch to rotate it around with the Versa pedestal that we use. You slide it all the way forward as the driver sits, and then you can adjust it around to enjoy the company of your guests. Swinging back, slide it back, turn around, and it locks into place. Pull your armrest down, and there's an adjustment underneath to raise or lower it for your comfort level. All the switches are here at your grasp with an easy reach.